Hello everyone, my name is Miraj Mustaq. I am from Rangpur district. Right now I live in Sabha, Dhaka. I completed my SSC in 2020 from Nalanda International School under the Borobari Moizuddin High School, Rangpur, and SSC in 2022 from Carmichael Collegiate School and College. I achieved GPA 4.89 in SSC and GPA 5 in SSC. During my school days, I was an active member of the debate club in school. In class 3 and class 8, I received a scholarship in the general grade of from the Student Welfare Association, Rangpur. At present, I am studying in the third year of Bachelor of Public Health program at Daffodil International University. I served as Sports Secretary of Public Health Club at my university. Apart from my studies, I truly love traveling and playing cricket. Whenever I get a chance, I plan trips, sometimes with friends and family members. So far, I have visited Cox's Bazar, Sylhet, Chattogram Marine Drive, Sitakundo, Tetulia and others. Inshallah, I hope to explore many more beautiful places in the future. I am truly passionate about learning, teamwork, traveling and contributing to public health initiatives that can make a difference in our society. Thank you for watching videos, and I look forward to sometimes more about my journey with all of you.